Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Chinese tourism. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post. It's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, TAT Homes In on Asian Expatriate Segment. Quoting directly, Adit Chairattananon, Honorary Secretary General of the Association of Thai Travel Agents, said the government should consider a visa waiver scheme for Chinese tourists entering via certain land borders, such as Udon Thani from Laos and Cambodia, since demand already exists there. Mr. Adit said even tourists who just wish to take a day trip to Thailand still have to pay 2,000 baht for the visa on arrival. This cost prevented them from extending their visit and spending more money in the country. Mr. Adit said instead of applying the same rate, the government should allow them to spend 72 hours in Thailand without an additional charge. Yeah, I mean, I can understand the argument. That said, it's my understanding with the visa on arrival, there's a substantial amount of time associated with that 2,000 baht fee. I'm not quite, I think the thinking there is having to go over the border and under the border, or back over and across the borders. Those folks, may some kind of 72-hour pass may be more warranted. That being said, it's been my experience, at least the past few years, that Thai immigration is pretty stringent with Chinese entering Thailand, especially over land borders. We saw some issues with that a few years back. I'm not sure if maybe this heralds a change in policy overall or sort of a change in paradigm with respect to the enforcement of Thai immigration law. That also, though, something to be noted is Chinese tourism numbers here in Thailand are substantially down compared to years past. Now, presumably that has to do with the fact we're sort of in low season right now. It's not exactly the holiday season in China. China kind of ended things associated with COVID restrictions a lot later than a lot of other countries, and those may be factors. So depending on what we see in the upcoming high season, I think we may have a better idea sometime in the early part of 2024 what upcoming policies may be in the offing. But that said, at least for the time being, it doesn't appear that there's going to be a major change with respect to border protocols associated with Chinese traveling into Thailand, but we will keep folks updated on this situation as it evolves.